Okay.
Here are the tools for the machine. The special shape buttons, usually we don't use the miler. I mean that we don't use the plastic film on top of the paper. We use the paper print and then do laminated on top of the paper. So it's not like the round buttons. The special shape buttons usually needs more high technology. So we recommend you to use the lamination on top of the paper, because there are, you can see there are special angles. Next, I show you how to assemble this handle on this machine and show you how to work. First of all, put the handle to the hole like this, and this pin from the right side. And go through the holes, and then use this one on it. Or you don't need it. It doesn't matter. So, and this machine you can press it without the materials first. For example, like this, B side we press it like this. A side, target this to the right side and press it. When we press B mode, target this to the left and make sure the pins go through the holes like this. Okay, now I make a sample for the big cat button. The paper already laminated with very good quality film. A side, and then B side. Put the pin back at the B side. And pay attention, when you press A, target this to the right side, and then press down the machine. Turn the B mode and target this to the left side, and then press down slowly. Okay. Then a button you already made. Thank you.